All right, friends and family, it's March, which brings a brand new month. Every single month at Real Life Trading, we like to have a new challenge, and this month is no different. March just so happens to be Kids Month, and we're gonna have 3 challenges this particular month, real life trading challenges as normal. Let's go ahead and dive into the first challenge of the month. All right, the real challenge for the month of March is gonna be, I want you to play at least 2 hours of basketball. I know that tons of the youth and young adults of the world love playing basketball, so let's engage with them, let's spend time with them, and get out, get a little bit of exercise in. 2 hours of basketball at least this month for March, your real challenge. So, in the month of February, we had a pull-up challenge that went pretty well, I think. I'm getting pretty good at these. So, for the life challenge in the month of March, I want you to play some video games with your kids. Spend time with them, do some things that they want to do, hang out with them, and I want you to play at least 2 hours of video games with your children in the month of March. And if you don't have kids, find some kids to play some games with, spend time doing what they want to do, and you know what? They'll then spend time doing what you want to do. That's the way it works. All right, the trading challenge in the month of March is gonna be twofold, actually. We have 2 separate challenges this particular month. Challenge number 1, for my traders out there, I want you to either practice, learn, or implement some option selling strategies. Right now, the market is extremely volatile. The VIX is very high, and implied volatility is gonna be everywhere in your options. I want you to consider selling some puts, either cash secured or naked. I want you to consider selling some credit spreads or some covered calls really far up, really high away on some of your positions. That's gonna be the challenge for my traders out there. If you don't know about these strategies, we teach them for free here at RLT. The challenge for my kids, I want you to go find some hammer candles. Hammer candles look a lot like this. I want you to go find these candles on any time frame, on any chart. And then I want you to post it to our Instagram at Real Life Trading. I'm gonna hold a contest, and you can post as many as you want. Every single time you post an entry, your name gets put into a drawing. At the end of March, one kid's gonna walk away with $300 cash. That's right, well actually maybe even a check. But you're gonna get 300 bucks. Who's it gonna be? Follow us on Instagram at Real Life Trading. Post your hammer candles, post your charts. Let me know that you're putting in the time or the work, and someone's gonna get rewarded for putting in that energy and that effort. Thanks so much for watching this video. You rock, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. One other thing, if you're wondering about this epic hat, this is the exclusive Cybertruck Tesla hat. Do you get it? So, Chris Rimbolt, just shout outs to you. Thanks for the hat, man. I really appreciate it. Loving it, it's epic. Anyway, happy Kids Month, everyone. Let's crush life. You guys rock.